morning, winners. This is Sasha Fearless, here to let you know that you are beautiful and good enough to accomplish anything that you want in life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I bleach a frontal. Stay tuned. So to start off, I'm going to take a spray bottle with water and spray the hair. The reason why I'm doing this is so that when I bleach the knots, I'm not going to have any flyaways or loose hairs getting on the bleach, because we're trying to bleach the knots, not the hair. This is just a method to tame the hair. Next up, I'm going to turn the frontal upside down and then pin it down on a mannequin head. You can use your lightener of choice, but today I'm just going to show you how I mix the lightener with the developer. So I take some lightener and I pour in some developer. Right here I'm using 20 volume, but honestly I prefer to use 30 volume developer. And I pour in a little bit of developer, mix it around, and I pour in a little bit at a time until I reach a pancake batter-like consistency. The clip of me mixing the lightener and developer is from an old video because I didn't actually show me mixing this one, but the routine is pretty much the same. I'm applying the lightener, so I'm applying the product very gently. Notice how I'm using a very light hand. Whatever you do, do not rub the lightener solution into the hair. Don't try to force it in, don't try to rub it in. Just be very light-handed because we're trying to bleach the knots, not the hair. It is possible that if you push too hard when applying, it would bleed through and give you hot roots. It will lighten your roots, and honey, it is not a cute look. I want you right now. You're painting this on as if you're a painter and this is your canvas. That's the best way for me to describe this. But you're painting with a very, very light hand. Would you correct me? up, I'm going to take some foil paper and cover it. Now, when I do this, I'm using a very light hand and making sure not to press the bleach into the hair. That is the last thing you want to do. So just gently put some foil paper on, and then the hair is going to sit for about 30 to 35 minutes. I wouldn't recommend going over 40 minutes. 40 minutes max, because I've done it where I've left the lightener on the hair for about like 45 to 50 minutes, and I noticed that for me personally that's too long. So 40 minutes max is good. After leaving the lightener on for about 30 to 40 minutes, I'm just going to rinse it off and then apply some purple shampoo. Wash the hair, not necessarily the hair, wash the lace with the purple shampoo. That way it's going to change the color of the knots so it looks more flesh toned. Also, if you want your knots to look more natural, you can use a spray that mimics the color of your foundation in order to spray the lace so it looks more like the hair's coming out of your skin. I use True Match, and I really like the True Match sprays. Those are really cool. Alright guys, so after I made the wig completely, this is what the frontal looks like after it is all said and done. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and have a wonderful day. Bye.